We are pleased to show you the 2014 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, adjustable pedals, tilt steering wheel, bucket seats, cloth bucket seats. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.